Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Scholar Mr. B. I'm Mr. B, and today we've got the biggest Christmas present that we have ever got here at the program, so we're going to open it up on camera and show you what it is. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, we got this in the other day, and it's been sitting here for about a week because we have not had the time to open it. It's been pretty hectic around here, and so we finally got the time to open it, and we're going to open it today on camera and show you guys what it's all about. So, this is 3,300 pounds. It actually took a special forklift for us to get it off the truck and unloaded. And it's about the size of a small car. And we are gonna open it today on camera. I have some other instructors with me here to help me open this up because it just takes that many people to deal with something this size. And give you a hint, this is from Consulab, a company that we order a lot of equipment through out of Canada. I'll put the link down in the description for Consulab if you would like to look at their products. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got some tools. We're going to go ahead and take the wrapping paper off this gift. So we got the pallet out from underneath it, got it unbolted. We use our lift on one half and we use our forklift on the other. And so what we're doing now is we're just bolting up these casters to it. Comes with bolts. And after that, we can go ahead and release the lift and the forklift, and then we can roll it around. Then I'm gonna tell you guys what this is. So we got Mr. D putting on the casters here. We've got two casters that have brakes on them and two that don't. So we're going to go ahead and put the brakes on it on the control panel side, and then the other wheels are going to be on the other side here. Once we get them on, we can let it down. All right, so we went ahead and we set the brakes here on the wheels, and we're going to let the lift down and then let the forklift down. And now I'm going to show you guys. There we go, we are on the ground. Okay, so let's talk about what this is. I'm just gonna pan over it, and I want all my experienced techs, I want y'all to tell me what it is. Notice you have two batteries there. It's a little hint. So this right here is our new trainer from Consulab, and it is a 6.7 turbo diesel trainer from a 2011 Ford F-250 or 350. And this will allow us to properly teach diesel. And so it comes with a VIN number as well, so we can assign task sheets and everything to this. Comes with its own breakout box and fuel tank. Has the DEF tank here for the diesel exhaust fluid. This is a four-wheel drive as well, so we will have, for our four-wheel drive class we teach, we'll have something for that. Whole coolant system. Does have an exhaust system. Power steering system. Of course, I'm sure that's capped off, but at least it's there and functioning. And this is one of the coolest things that we have in the shop now. So it has a fault box in here that we can program faults into, and the students will have to basically diagnose this engine using our tools. And it does have a data link connector right here, so we can plug our scan tool directly up to this, and we have a working, basically a F-250 here that we're able to brake but not brake, and it allows us to teach real-world problems with these 6.7s. Consulab did a very good job on this too. I've been looking at the welds and everything on here, and they're very nice. It's very well thought out. And we're gonna see if she runs. Okay, Mr. D, since you'll be heading up the diesel program, I'm gonna honor you with the first crank up. Let's hear if she'll run.
All right, let's roll some coal.
Woo! So of course we got some faults. We did such a good job on this. It comes with all the materials as well, a whole curriculum for the students to learn off of. It has safety points. So we have our emergency stops if we need it. Wow. What you think, Mr. D?
I like it.
You like it?
This is nice.
Right there. Emergency stop works.
Perfect.
So all the kill switch and everything works. They've really thought this out pretty well. Also, we noticed today.
So you kill the whole system.
We've also noticed too, it comes with its own battery charger here. So, you know, with any diesel system and anything like that, you're going to have some parasitic load and everything on the car. And this, we can plug it in. It keeps the batteries charged up. It's probably, you know, nowadays, $400 of batteries right here sitting in this thing. So it will help us keep this thing running for a while. I am impressed. Good stuff. Okay guys, so I'm planning to make a more detailed video on how this works and how we're going to use it to train our students, and also do some fault finding videos on some of the 6.7 Powerstroke stuff that's out there, and using this so y'all get a very clear picture of how to diagnose these problems. But for now, I just want to show you guys the unwrapping video. We are about to close up for Christmas break, so I won't be really putting anything else out there until January, so I'm going to enjoy some time off. And don't forget to like the video if it taught you anything, and of course subscribe to the channel. Also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, VK in Eastern Europe if you're there, and check me out there. I put a lot of content out there that I can't put out on YouTube. So for now, have a good Christmas break, and we'll see you next time on Auto Scholar and Mr. B.